Portable belt sanders provided by Tube.com. Here is the product appearance and mounting accessories. Be aware that the arrows on the inner side of the abrasive belt should be directed towards clockwise. We'll demonstrate how to fix the belt onto the sander. Buckle the belt. Equip the dust bag. And the assembly of the whole machine is complete. Then, we'll try it out with a scratched piece of wood. Let's see what difference our belt sander will make on it. The sander is easy to maneuver, and it shapes the wood almost effortlessly. Clearly, the scratches are removed, and the wood is refinished. The dust bag helps to collect the wood fragments brought about during sanding, which makes cleanup a breeze.